I am just realizing I don't have any ties because I usually keep them down below here, but I think I donated all of them because I don't need to wear ties. And at my age, everyone that I know is mostly married now. So I don't have to get dressed for a wedding that often. And I don't like wearing formal clothes a lot because it's uncomfortable to me. But yeah, no, I don't have a tie. I have a blazer which I found. Hopefully it fits me. I'm gonna try it on tomorrow because I'm about to go to bed. I figured I'd double check for a tie real quick. Yesterday, I went to the outlet mall to buy a dress shirt because I have a wedding to go to on March 15th. I forgot, yeah. But I realized I didn't have any dress shirts, so I was like, I better go try some on. So I went with my mom, and then I picked one out at a store. And then I just had dinner with my mom, and then I get home. And then today I was basically at home all day. Didn't do much. But yeah, no, I don't have a tie. I don't want to buy a tie. Like, let's be honest, I wasn't in the happiest mood that I had to buy a dress shirt. But at least this shirt I bought, I tried many dress shirts on yesterday, but it's just that this one I particularly like because then I can technically use it anyway after the wedding because it's not too formal, but it's not casual enough that it's not formal. It's just in between, so it worked out really well. But yeah, no, I don't have a tie. Originally, I was thinking to wear a cardigan, but I also don't realize I donated my cardigan a while back too. So yeah, I don't do formal clothes. But yeah, it's gonna be a predicament. But yeah, luckily I got the dress shirt. It's the blue one, but then I just realized all the ones I tried were blue. So you guys can't guess which one I did, but you'll see it in the future vlog. For now, I guess my mission's complete. I'll see if I can borrow a tie from my brother, because that way I don't have to buy a tie. It's a waste of money because I don't wear ties. So we'll see. But yeah, tomorrow is my mom's birthday. Her legitimate birthday, because being Chinese, we do the lunar birthday, and it's always different every year, and it throws me off. But it's her official birthday tomorrow. I'm gonna have dinner tomorrow. I think we're getting soup dumplings tomorrow, so we'll see. But yeah, basically stayed home today, which is really good. Applied for some jobs this morning, so I'm very protective even though I'm home all day. But anyway, it's getting late, it's past my bedtime, so I'm gonna head to bed. So this dumbass yesterday thought he plugged this camera in to charge the battery because it's at 5%, but it didn't because I plugged it in, but the other side wasn't plugged in. And the thing is, this camera doesn't have an indicator when it's charging. So that's why I have no footage yesterday. But I didn't really do anything. I just went out with my grandma and we had dinner, and then I just went home. And that was basically it. I got bubble tea. That's what I did. Today, we're doing a little mini Vans reunion. I say mini because a lot of people weren't free. There's still at least almost 10 people. I think it's just 10 people, but it's a mini reunion because a lot of people are really busy. Like Dejan, for example, has exams. Some people are on trips. So it's going to be a mini reunion. Definitely going to have more in the future so that we can all see everybody. But currently, I'm getting my stuff ready because I'm going to be with Rizal and we're going to go together. But I'm a little annoyed because I at this reunion I told them it would be a potluck style, and learning from last time how we epically failed because everyone brought something really good, but they also brought large portions of it thinking they needed to buy for 10 people. But if everyone bought a dish that's for 10 people, it just gives too many things. So there was a lot of food waste. We had to take a lot of food home and all that stuff. So everyone got annoyed at me saying, "Oh, James, you should have planned better. You should have told us what everyone's bringing. And then you should have told us just to bring small portions." So I'm like, you know what? You're right. I should have done that. So this time I did that. And these assholes are so disorganized. So this time we might not have enough food. Because I said, hey, let's learn from last time. Let's not all bring large portions. Just bring a small portion of something. And we're good. So a lot of them, for some reason, I guess didn't have time or they don't want to be bothered. So they're not bringing a dish. They're bringing like a snack or a drink. But luckily they told me, I'm like, hey guys, so-and-so's bringing chips. So-and-so's bringing dessert. So don't bring dessert or whatever. So they're all like, I don't know what to bring. And then I have some people saying they'll bring something. And then today they just told me that much as they didn't have time to do it. So they're just going to bring snacks instead. So it's like annoying the crap out of me. The last time everyone brought a dish. Now this time people can't be bothered to bring a dish. So it's just so annoying. So I made potato salad, which I'm bringing. And then I'm also going to bring some cutlery and some paper plates because I don't know if Zion has that stuff. I didn't ask, but I'm just going to bring it anyway, just in case. Right now I'm waiting for Arizel, and then we're going to head to pick up his dish. He got fried rice, thank God. And then I'm going to buy some drinks like pop and stuff, just in case. Because I don't know what they meant, but they said drinks. I'm like, it's alcohol? And they're like, I don't know. Everyone give me vague answers this time. I don't know why. What did you bring today, Bruce?
This, nothing.
You can say what it is.
Chico chicken.
What flavors are they?
Oh no!
What flavors?
That's weird that you have to ask me. Because I'm the one that brought them.
Well, I paid for half of it. I paid for half.
So what are the flavors, Scott?
He can't even pronounce it. He doesn't know.
Soy garlic?
Yeah, that's English.
And yang yum. Yes.
Hands down.
What? Oh yeah.
You know, right?
What did you bring, taxi driver?
I brought the... Wait, film that.
I need to film your face so you're talking.
Calamari. Platter.
That's not a platter.
They gave me the wrong...
Because you ordered the wrong thing.
What?
You just got 2 kilos for yourself.
Here.
Look at Zion.
Yo.
What did you bring? What did you make?
Kimchi pancake. It's a kimchi buchingge.
Yes.
It's a Korean.
Arizo made the fried... I'm not made. Brought the fried rice. And then there's tiramisu that Jared brought in the fridge.
Shit is so expensive, bro.
I was just about to head to bed, then I realized I didn't end the vlog. The reunion was fun. The food choices were limited as I predicted, but you know what? I forgot one factor, and that's one factor it would be, is that when everyone's together, we're so busy catching up that we're not eating. So even though there wasn't a lot of options or a lot of food choices, we were so busy talking, and henceforth everything got eaten, and no one was as hungry. Because it was getting late anyway, so it worked out for the best, but it was not ideal based on what was happening. But halfway through, I think almost we were like 70% done. I did ask if we should order a pizza. Everyone was like, you know what? No one was actually full, but I think everyone was like content. So like, you know what? I'm not hungry. I had a little bit of the chicken. I had a bit of the fried rice. I'm actually all right. So it worked out. At the end of the day, I think everyone gets distracted catching up with everybody that they forget to eat. And what they do eat is little snacks or whatever in between is enough to fill them up and they're not hungry. So it worked out. It was fun to catching up to everybody. Not everyone made it today, so it's kind of sad. because I don't think we're gonna have a reunion for a long time after this. Because I might not be in Vancouver for a while, and everyone's so busy with other stuff. But you know, I'm always gonna try to do these reunions as much as possible because it's always great to see them. Anyway, it's way past my bedtime, so I'm gonna head to bed, which means I'm gonna end the vlog right here. So see you all next week.